Yeah, hello guys, welcome in Code with Money. In this video, we are going to see how can we create the portfolio. Okay, so today we have created the three different kinds of portfolio. Okay, see, this is the first. This one is the first portfolio. Second is this is the second portfolio, and this is the third portfolio. Okay, and I will provide the source code to you in description box so you can also use this portfolio for your personal use. Okay, and you have to just edit according to your requirement. Okay, let me explain about this portfolio. And this is the about. You can mention about yourself and about your skills and about your address so in your portfolio. And this is the service part that you can explain that what skills you have, on which service you have worked. And in portfolio you can see this, and about your branding, design, photographic, whatever skills you have, you can mention in portfolio. In resume, you can mention about your education and experience, and whatever you have, you can mention in the resume. Okay, and in blog, you can mention about your different kinds of project, on which project you have worked, and you can write a blog also. And in contact, you if anyone want to contact with you, so they can easily contact with you by entering name, email id, subject, and they can enter the message. Okay, this is the first portfolio. Okay, which we have created, and you can easily use for your personal use. I will provide the source code to you also. Okay, and this is the second portfolio. See, you can see that how it's looking dynamic, and it's see, you can see the background how it's looking and changing. Okay, when you will click on about, so you can see about yourself. And when you can see your service here, you can see your portfolio, and you can see your resume. And whatever you will mention in resume, whatever you want to mention, you can see here. And you can see the blog part also, and here you can see the contact. Almost three portfolio are equally same, but just little bit design I did change. Okay, and here you can see that uh, third portfolio, you can see in background how it's changing just like a water. Okay, and whenever you will click on about, you can see about yourself, and you can see your service, you can see your portfolio, you can see your resume, and you can see about your blogs, and you can contact. Okay, this is the third portfolio which we have created. So these all are three portfolio, all are responsive and looking it's very beautiful, and you can use it for your personal use. Let me show you the code also. Okay, and here you can see that index 2, index 5, there are the three index we have created. This index is for the first portfolio. This is the second portfolio, and this is the third portfolio. Okay, and you can use this code according to your requirement. You can edit here, and whatever you want to uh, add in the resume, in the image, according to your requirement for your personal use, you can use this portfolio. Okay, so it will be good for your in development line. But if anyone want to see your resume, instead of sending resume directly, you can see send your portfolio. It will be more attractive with the companies. Okay guys, so I will provide this source code in the description box, so you can download it from there, and you can directly use according to your requirement. Okay, so that's it in this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.